First, authorization to serve. Move the hand to indicate the direction of service. Extend the arm to the side of the team that will serve. Raise the forearms front and back and twist them around the body. Second, team to serve. Extend the arm to the side of the team that will serve. Third, change of courts. Raise the forearms front and back and twist them around the body. Number 4. Time out. Place the palm of one hand over the fingers of the other, held vertically, forming a T, and then indicate the requesting team. Number 5. Substitution. Circular motion of the forearm around each other. Number 6. Delay in service. Raise 8 fingers spread open. Number 7. End of set or match. Cross the forearm in front of the chest, hands open. Number 8. Ball in. Point the arms and fingers toward the floor. Number 9. Ball out. Raise the forearms vertically, hands open, palm toward the body. Number 10. Attack, hit, hold. Make a downward motion with the forearm, hand open.
Para maging updated kayo sa susunod ko pang video, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification below para updated ka sa susunod ko pang video. Goodbye!